Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see this question, how to solve this one. The sum of all terms of the arithmetic progression having the 10 terms except for the first term is 99, and then it's given and except for the sixth term is 89. So find the 8th term of the progression if the sum of the first and the fifth term is equal to 10. So now let us see step by step. So now let us see the first sentence, the sum of all terms of the arithmetic progression. So now we should know what are these ones. So A1 denotes that is the first term. Wherever we write D, that is the common difference. When S means that is the, here we are going to think about the sum of, because they are given 10 terms. So sum of all 10 terms. So now let us write first equation, what is given in the first sentence, that sum of all terms of the arithmetic having there are 10 terms except for the first term. So we are going to start from the, so S minus A1. So we are not going to consider the first term. So that is how much is given, that is as given as 99. So let us consider that as equation number 1. And in the second one, what did they say in the second from here? Except for the sixth term is 89. So we are going to subtract sixth term from that, from the sum. So S minus A6, that is 89. So these are the two equations what you have to keep in mind. And then we have to find out the 8th term. So that we'll see later first. So what will you do? Subtracting 2 from 1. So when you subtract this, you can subtract and see. So what do we get here? A6 minus, so when you write here S minus A1 minus here, S minus A6 is 99 minus 89. So here what happens when you expand this one, I'll write it here, S minus A1 minus S plus A6. So what happens here? Here S and minus S gets cancelled. So it will be A6. This is positive, so that will be first, and this will be minus A1. And you know 99 minus 89, that will be 10. So you will get one A6 minus A1. So now you know the equation here, how it is here. Whenever you have to find out. So AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Now you know the terms, what is D, what is A1 and S. So now what we are going to see first here, that is we are going to see for the sixth term, that will be, we are going to consider this N as 6. So A6 will be what? A1 will be as it is. And in place of N, wherever you see, you are going to write 6. So 6 minus 1, that is going to be 5. So 5D. So now if we bring this A1 on this side, so A6 minus A1, this is going to be 5D. And you know here, A6 minus A1, what is that? That is 10. So you are going to write here, in place of this 10 is equal to 5D. So by this one, what you are going to get, by this, you are going to get the value of D. So D is the common difference. So here this is multiplication, so it will get divided. So D is 2. So now we got D as 2. Now what we are going to see here, find the 8th term of the, if the sum of first and the fifth term is 10. So now let us see here, sum of first term and fifth term is 10 means. Now let us see the fifth term. The fifth term means in this one we are going to put in this equation. We are going to see wherever we see N, there we are going to put 5. So that A5, AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. This is the equation. So we don't have to scroll up. So here we have the fifth term means you are going to write in place of N, you are going to write 5. This is A1 as it is. So here N minus 1, this will be 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 means this is going to be 4. And D, we got the value as 2. That is the difference we got as 2. So what will be this one? This is going to be 8. So what we can write here, A5 is A plus A1, that is A1 plus 8. So now we want, what did they ask here? We want the sum of the first and the fifth term is given as 10. So what is that? So first term plus fifth term, that is given as 10. So first term, you know, that is A1. And we got the fifth term as what? A1 plus 8. So in place of this fifth term, we are going to put A1 plus 8. And that is 10. So now what you can see, this is 2A1. This is 10 is on the right hand side. So this will be, if we put it on the right hand side, that is going to be minus 8. So 2A1 will be this 2. So A1 is going to be this 2 divided by this 2, that is going to be 1. So we got the first term as 1. So now we want the 8th term. Can you see here? Find the 8th term of the progression. So what are we going to do here? So 8th term means, how are we going to write here? AN is a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So you are going to write here, this will be the 8th term. So a8, a raised to, wherever you see n, you are going to write 8. So a1. Now we know a1 we got here as what? We got 1 as 1. So in place of a1, we are going to write 1. So now here, 8 term means this will be 8 minus 1 into d. d you know that is 2. So here 1 plus, this will be 7 into 2. And this is going to be 14. So 1 plus 14 and that is 15. So the 8 term, whatever they asked here, is 15. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.